Bonjour. What a difference a day makes. I don't know if you can see out there, but look calm and sunny and beautiful it is. Hey, by gum. It's the last day, isn't it? There's only 10 hours or so left of the raffle. That's my finger on the edge of the picture over there. It's just more comfortable. What's it up to? It's up to 2,900 odd, which is awesome. At that price, I wouldn't give the boat away. So whoever won it, if it was one of the people that wanted to keep it, they'd just get 2,300 quid in their hand instead, and I'd get nothing, which is a bummer. But that is the risk we take, unless something happens and I sell loads more tickets during the day today. I'm going to do a live stream. I set one up. I don't know if I've done it right because I don't know. I can't get on it on my laptop. Set a live stream up for tonight so that we can watch it. I don't know how the draw works. I don't know if I see it, but I'm going to try and do something. And then we'll find out who wins, and if that person's on the stream, that'll be funny, won't it? Find out what's happening. But I'm going to set that up from 6 so that people have an hour to tune in, and then those people who have tuned in who might not have watched the other stuff might buy a ticket, so the money might go up, and then we'll just play it all by ear. I think if I got the boat back with 3 grand, that'll give me enough. Well, it's enough to fix the hull, that's a given. It'll give me enough to get the prop shaft fixed easily, and then get the mast unstepped and fix the mast. If it went for more like 4 grand, I'd be able to put a new mast on it. Well, not new. I can get hold of a mast for 250 quid. But it needs adapting and it needs spreaders putting on it, and I'll need a new boom and it'll need all new rigging. So the mast might be 250 quid, but then you've got at least 1,500 quid on the other stuff, so 1,750 quid. And have a new mast and boom possibly. That might be worth doing. Yeah. So it's all a bit I don't know, as it always is. I'm tired. I don't know why. I got a solid 8 hours kit, but I'm still knackered. I cooked myself a meal on scampi last night. I had stuffed mushrooms and Mediterranean roasted vegetables. Only from Lidl, but so cool having an oven on a boat. I don't know if it'd be nice if they did like tabletop alcohol ovens. They might do. I might look into that. Something that I can just get out and put away, because the curvature of my hull, there's not enough depth below the thingy to get an oven in, I don't think. Not with it be able to. So yeah, doing a waffling again, aren't I? That's what's happening. I'm going to go up and get a coffee. See what the hell happens today. But yeah, there'll be a live stream. I'm going to set a fresh one up from 6 PM, I think, something like that. Yeah. That's that. What is it, 4 minutes long? I'll speak to you all later or something. I've got stuff to do and that. Ta-ta!